Welcome to the WaveLinx CAT CCI contact closure installation video.
So what's in the box? You'll find instructions and the CCI. WaveLinx CAT devices are wired in a daisy chain. Each Cat5 port should have a Cat5 cable or end-of-line terminator. The first set of terminals to the left of the Cat5 ports is input 1. Terminals 3 and 4 are input 2. Terminals 5 and 6 are input 3. And terminals 7 and 8 are input 4. Out of the box, input 1 is set to alert mode, and input 2 is set to demand response. Inputs 3 and 4 are not configured. The CCI does not output any voltage on these terminals. It can accept dry contact closures from, for example, a switch or a fire alarm signal. When an input's terminals are shorted together, it will issue a command. When they are opened, it will issue another command. On the face of the CCI, there is a push button. If that button is held for 5 seconds, the unit will factory reset. The wings on each side of the CCI are used for mounting. I hope this video was informative and thanks for watching.